Hey, this just started out as a trial thing, but I sure do appreciate you guys for subscribing to the channel. I've actually reached 1,000, which might not be a big deal to a lot of you big thousands of YouTube guys, but it's a big deal to me because I don't think that many people would be interested in what we do. I'm definitely pleased with the product that we put out and all the employees we have working for us, and hopefully we'll continue to grow. We got a 14K golden boat lift C-Drive series that we're installing this boat lift right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do a fast video for it so you can see how it all goes together. Really appreciate this subscribers and the people that follow me, even though they don't subscribe, but watch the video. That all helps out. We're installing a 14,000 pound hanging boat lift in this boathouse. We've already installed the triple 2x12s the length of the boathouse. This will allow the lift to hang from the triple 2x12s, and you can slide it to whichever position you need for whichever size boat, or if the boat has different centers of gravity, you can move it further to the back of the boat or closer to the front of the boat. I tried to video pretty much all the steps of the installation here so you can see exactly what goes into getting a hanging boat lift installed. See here, you can slide the lift to whatever position you need before you tighten the bolts down. This is the winch motor bracket we're installing right now. pipe is 1.5 inches and the diameter of the winch is 2 inches. So there's a plastic sleeve that goes in between the drive pipe and the winch to take up the difference. Before we get our motors installed or power ran out to the dock, we go ahead and hook our drill up to the winch to get the cable wound up properly so we can get the cradle out of the water to install the bunks on it.
Put it back down. Socket for that would be a lot quicker.
Need these two nuts.
Okay. Hey guys, I came back and got some pictures after Hurricane Sally went through. You've probably seen them in my previous video. I was showing how to Thro-Flow decking really good, but this here's about the lift. Just finishing up on the lift. We got the lift installed. The bunks are on for a pontoon boat, and we've just got him set on there for right now until he gets his boat. We'll get him adjusted out exactly how he wants it. Got a Golden Sea Drive Series 14,000 pound boat lift installed this boathouse. Nice clean installation. We like to keep our collar ties really high up there, as you can see, and everything's clean so you don't have anywhere for birds to sit up there and roost and mess all over your boat. Definitely. Hey, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, I appreciate it if you would. And if you have, thanks a lot for staying tuned to what I'm doing. If you got any questions or comments on this job here, just let me know and I'll be happy to get back in touch with you.